beautiful day for gardening.
Gardening, gardening. I want to water the plants.
Plants need water and care to grow healthy and strong.
Drink water, little plants.
What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight, water, healthy soil, air, and space to grow.
What's over there?
I don't remember planting anything over here.
Let's see.
Wow, so many tomatoes. They are so red and shiny.
Peppa and George had discovered a very special tomato garden.
I can't believe how many tomatoes there are.
Tomatoes everywhere.
They look so fresh and juicy.
Big tomatoes, round tomatoes, yummy tomatoes.
Tomatoes turn red when they are ripe and ready to eat.
What color are ripe tomatoes? That's right, ripe tomatoes are red.
Wow, this tomato is huge.
It's bigger than your head.
It's so heavy, so big, so red.
This might be the biggest tomato ever. Did you see that? It's glowing.
Magic tomato, magic tomato. Can we eat it now?
Maybe we should taste it. It's so sweet and juicy.
Fresh tomatoes are full of juice and healthy vitamins.
My turn. I want a tomato too. Yummy, best tomato ever.
I think George likes tomatoes now. The tomato is glowing again.
Magic tomato, magic tomato.
I think more tomatoes are growing.
There are tomatoes everywhere.
The magical tomato garden was becoming even more amazing.
There are even more tomatoes now.
They're everywhere.
It's like a tomato maze.
A tomato tunnel. How amazing.
This tomato looks like a heart.
A love tomato.
Look, a tomato mountain.
I've never seen so many tomatoes before. Healthy plants grow better with sunlight, water, and care.
And lots of love.
The whole garden feels magical now.
Magic tomatoes everywhere.
It's harvest time.
Pick the tomatoes. Pick the tomatoes.
We picked so many tomatoes. When we care for plants, they grow healthy and strong.
And yummy too.
These tomatoes are sweet, juicy, and delicious.
Yummy, yummy tomatoes.
What started as a normal day in the garden became a magical tomato adventure with patience, care, and a little love. Small gardens can grow wonderful surprises and lots of tomatoes.